mad scientist here and
Dr. Kitten.
And we are going to be doing an experiment of zombie slime.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make the best slime, way better than Emma's, because I am the best at making zombie slime. As always, Emma goes first.
I'm gonna do glue.
Oh.
There's like a teensy bit more. Okay, I think that's good. Don't drip.
Okay, now it's my turn, and I'm gonna start with my glue as well.
He has white glue. Whoa! I think you're just doing that like wavy thing just to make it look cool. Now you're doing a zigzag. The heck's that? Jonah, what is the safest place to be in a zombie apocalypse?
I don't know, what?
The living room.
Oh, that's so hilarious! It makes sense. Oh, cause when the zombie apocalypse comes, you're gonna die because of the zombies. But when you're in your living room, you'll live.
Now I'm gonna do my food coloring.
And then do it again. Yes. Ooh, it's looking good, Emma. Emma's gonna have great slime. I can already tell. What color is this? Is it green?
Yep. I'm gonna stir it.
Whoa! That looks cool. Whoa. I don't think my slime could even beat this slime. Okay, now it's my turn. Now I'm gonna do my food coloring too. Let's get it. Oh, it's dripping. There you go. Oh. Okay, now it's time to stir it. Stir. Ew.
Whoa. That looks like a purple storm sky.
It does? Wow. Mine's a bright purple, very zombie-like, super creepy. I like the color purple. My slime is gonna be perfect. Emma, what does it take to become a zombie?
Let me think. Dedication.
Yes, you're good at this. Okay, let's get on to the next ingredient.
Jonah, I have a joke for you.
What is it?
Do zombies eat brains with fingers?
I don't know. Do they?
No, they eat the fingers separately.
What? How did you come up with this? You're funny.
I'm smart. Now I'm gonna do glitter. I got orange and green. Let's open it up. Pour it in.
Oh, that looks cool. Wow. Now you're going for the orange? What? Oh no, take the wrapper out before it becomes into your slime. Oh, phew.
Let's mix it. That looks like a pumpkin patch.
Okay, now it's my turn. And I'm gonna do glitter too. I've got purple glitter. Let's do this. Okay, gonna cut and gotta open it and boom. There goes this glitter. Oh, that looks so cool. That looks so nice. My slime's gonna be perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, that's done. Now time for the silver. There, the silver done. Now I just gotta stir it. Oh, it's mixing in so well. Oh, my slime looks amazing.
Whoa, that was a big bubble. It's making bubbles.
Okay, Emma, here's a joke for you. What did the zombie say to the kid?
What?
Stop hitting me in the head.
That doesn't make sense at all. But it's funny.
Emma's way better at making zombie jokes than me. Wow.
I'm gonna do my glow in the dark glue. Let's open it up. That was easy. Whoa, look inside there. A whole chunk came out at the first.
Wow.
Okay, I think that's good. My hands are hurting. Oh, let's mix it. I forgot. Oh no, it's gonna make it lighter, which is kind of good. Not this time enough.
And I've got glow in the dark glow sticks, and I will be cracking them, cutting them, and putting them in my slime.
That sounds cool.
Shake, and all together, shake. Now it's time for me to cut it open. And cut. Perfect. Time for the next one. Cut. Spin, cut, 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 spin, cut, 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 spin, cut, cut, cut. Perfect. Now, it's time for the last one. Stick it in. Got it. Cut, spin, cut, spin, spin. Perfect. Now I've got my 3 glow in the dark glow sticks. I'm gonna dump them in. Here I go. Okay. Whoa, there it went. So that dip in. There goes the chunk. Don't want to dimp it anymore. Grab this one chunk. Sometimes science experiments can get a little messy. Dip it out. Oh, there goes a big chunk of stuff. In 3, 2, 1. Stir it in.
What if it turns into a darker purple?
Maybe it's gonna have these red lines in it, and it might look like blood and like brain vessels.
That wouldn't be good. Okay, Jonah, what is a zombie's favorite toy?
I don't know. What is a zombie's favorite toy?
A teddy bear.
A teddy bear? A teddy bear? A teddy bear? Zombie and favorite toy? That's crazy!
Did you hear me say dead?
I know.
I'm gonna do my activator. Let's pour it in.
Ooh.
Now it's time to mix it.
Oh, it's getting thick, turning into slime. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna start doing my hands. It's time to use hands.
Okay, while Emma's doing that, I'm gonna add in my activator. Okay. And take this out for now. Let's pour some in. Let's start with that much. And add in more later. Oh yeah, my slime's coming together. Hey Emma, what did the zombie say before his fight?
I'm fired up.
Nope. It is, you want a piece of me? Get it?
No.
Zombies, they can just pull off their arm and like give it to someone like, you want a piece of me?
Hey Jonah, have you heard about zombie that got expelled from school?
No, what happened?
He kept bothering up his teacher.
I don't get it. Oh, it makes sense! Because the zombie wants to eat the teacher and he got expelled from school. I feel bad for that zombie. Like, really bad. It's not stretched. Oh! Hey, Emma. What do you get when you cross a zombie with a snowman?
A snow zombie.
Frostbite.
I get it. Because it's like, so the snowman is like the frost, and then the zombie bites it.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go to hands with it. 3, 2, gotta roll up my sleeves. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Nice.
I'm ready for spiders.
Whoa.
The spiders are slime. And bubble.
And what? That was a big one.
There's gonna be. The spider broke it. What do you call a bee that never dies?
A bee that never dies. We've been doing zombie jokes. Zombie. Bee! Bee's in the word zombie. Is it a zombie?
Yep.
Yes! Whoa! Okay, I've been playing with my slime now. I know that makes good bubbles. Now it's time to add in my eyeballs. First eyeball. Second eyeball. Third eyeball, which is a gooey eyeball. Fourth eyeball. Oh. And last but not least, the fifth eyeball. Okay, time to mix it in the slime. Oh! Oh! It's crazy! Here's what I love about my slime and what I don't like. So I love that my slime is stretchy, not horrible, and it's just very good for making bubbles. That wasn't my best one, but really good at making bubbles. But what I don't like is that the eyeballs keep on falling out.
There's like about 2 things that I don't like about this slime. So what I don't like about this slime is that when you play with it, the spiders poke your hands, and it's very sticky. And usually I'm scared of spiders. Well, that's 3 things that I don't like about it. Oh, maybe 4, because it keeps on getting stuck to my hands. And then, like, I love that it's all, like, stretchy. You can make bubbles with it. And then, like, well, not that much bubbles, because the spiders stop it, because they're too heavy.
Okay, Emma Beans, here's another joke for you. What is a zombie's favorite bean?
What is it?
A human being.
Why did you call me Emmy Bean?
Because that's your nickname. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We had a lot of fun doing it. Me and Emma, we made incredible zombie slime. Make sure you push that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and hit that bell. And make sure you watch out for zombies.